So if you're looking for a hairstyle that you can just do in under 2 minutes, you're probably going out or you want to just set up your hair for a shoot, a photo shoot, or you just want to keep your hair in something different than you usually used to. This is a quick 2 minute hairstyle that I just thought of. So first of all, you just section your hair into chunky twists. As you can see, these are large twists. So then you divide them into two parts. One part you roll them into one, and then you use bobby pins to pin them up at the back. So I'm going to show you guys how I practically do this with this other section. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just rolling them into one bulk, like just putting them together, more like a roll twist. Then I'm going to show you how I pin this at the back of my hair. So this is how I pin them at the back using just bobby pins. So you can spice this up with some accessories like some flowers or some silver clips, something to just give you a nice feeling. So this is a simple, quick, fast, easy hairstyle you can do if you're going out and you just don't know what to do with your hair. So it happens a lot. So this is simple. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this, and you can share with us in the comment section other kind of style that you like to do. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video also. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.